Now, drones are showing up more and more around us for aerial photography, food delivery, firefighting, even spraying pesticides on farms. Just today, while walking in the park, I spotted a food delivery drone right ahead of me. So I thought, why not try ordering something with it? I pulled out my phone, scanned the QR code on the sign, picked what I wanted to eat, paid, and that's it. Now we wait. After about 5 minutes, a drone came flying through the sky. We waited for it to land. Honestly, drone delivery is becoming super common where I live. You can spot them in the park, around libraries. They're everywhere. I just happened to run into this one, so I thought I'd record a quick video to show you how it works. Once the drone lands on this little station, we walk over and type the last 4 digits of the phone number we use to order. The system confirms it's us, and then the food gets delivered to this little box at the front. And there we go. Food's here. I was really curious about how all this actually works. How do they control the drone? How does it take off? So we followed it for a while and finally found where the drone takes off. Here's what happens. The staff loads the food into a box, clips it underneath the drone, scans a code to confirm, and then the drone automatically lifts off and heads straight to the pickup spot we just visited. Pretty amazing, right? If you want to see more cool drone videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if there's something specific you want to see, leave me a comment below. I'll make more videos just for you.